Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I have here some fun project ideas for you guys. It's some project for some inspiration, and as you can see here on my desk I have here 6 projects, and these projects were just made using one piece of double-sided 12 by 12 paper. Incredible how you can make all of these projects. So I've got here 6 projects. I've got here a cute little mini album with some pages and pocket insert. I've got a little gift box here, and this here is a library pocket, another little gift box, another a flip book album with a pocket, and also a folded heart pocket shape for some goodies. So all you need to do is you just need to cut out your paper at 4 by 6 inches, so you'll get 6 pieces of 4 inches by 6 inch paper out of the one piece of 12 by 12, and you'll be able to make these 6 projects. I will do a tutorial in my next video on these projects, but this video is just a project share for you because I don't think I'll be able to fit them all into the one video. So I may also have to do two videos to make these projects to show you the measurements and how to put them together. But I'm going to show you the projects, and if you look at here, this is just a great package already for you to send off as happy mail to your crafty friend, or if you're in a swap group, you can just make all of this out of the one piece of paper and it's just ready to go, and all you need to do is add your goodies and embellish and decorate your projects. So much fun, and for those that are new to paper crafting or happy mail, this is a great way to get you started. So I'm going to start off with this one here first, and I'll show you the other ones as we go along. This one here is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. It's just a library style pocket. All you do here is you just fold it over and just fold it to however deep you'd like your pocket to be, and just glue the sides here and then seal it off, and that gives you your little pocket. And then you can load this up with some goodies in here as well. I didn't embellish this because I wanted to show you how it looks like, but I did embellish, or I did decorate the corner up here with some gold glitter cardstock and punched it out with my heart punch, and added this really cute bow tassel dangle just to decorate the pocket. So that's one of the ideas you could make with that piece. Then you could also make one of these, again just with one piece of 6 by 4 paper. So this here is a bow using my mini envelope punch board, which I had done a tutorial for you, and I'll put the video down below if you wanted to have a look at how to make one of these if you have the We Are Memory Keepers mini envelope punch board. And then just on the inside here, I've just placed one of my little Tulle bow. I also have a tutorial, very easy again, for you to make. I'll put that video down below if you want to have a look. And then this is just it, and that closes up. It's just so cute. I really love making cute little mini projects. So again, great for those crafters that like making little mini projects. And you will also be able to make a cute little mini flip book with a pocket. And this here is a ticker strip embellishment that I've made. I did have these in my store, but I've sold out of those for now. And I've just placed that on the front. And then you can embellish these pages or add another little tuck spot. This here is a cute little mini envelope. I made this with a circle punch to make this cute little envelope. I also have a video for that for you if you want to have a look at how to put this together. And then you've got another double page here where you can again add some an envelope, another pocket, or embellish. And up here is the pocket, and again just another ticket embellish strip that I've made. And this is your little pocket that's on the top, and you can just slip your little goodie in there or add some tags. So that's your third project. And I've also made this cute little treat box with a velcro to keep as a closure, and then that again is another little spot for you to add some goodies. I've got here some fabric bows, and that just goes in there, and it's a good enough depth to add some goodies as well. And you can just close it like that. I do apologize if there's a bit of sun here. The sun's sort of coming down at the moment, and I've got the window just beside me. And then over here is a heart-shaped pocket that you fold and create this cute heart pocket, and you can add more goodies in here. This is just one of my embellishments. This is another embellishment that I made, and this is your little pocket or heart-shaped pocket. There are videos out there on how to make one of these as well, so you can have a look at those videos, or I'll do one when I do my next video. So that's the 5th one. Oh, and this one here, I'm going to show you. I've made another one here. If you can see here, this has got a little window with some acetate. So that's just another option you can do to make this treat box. And then you can use a little fold back clip to keep this as a closure. So that's the little gift that I've got in there that I made. So that's just another way you could make the treat box by adding a little window there. So just wanted to show you that one. But yes, again, so this is the little heart-shaped pocket. And then the final one is this really adorable mini album. For those that love making cute little mini albums, this is adorable. Look how cute this is. It's so tiny, and again, easy to make. I will do a tutorial on how to make the book cover base for you and how to insert the pages, but I'll show you this little cute mini album. Again, you've just used these 6x4 paper, and the pages that are inside here, you only need to use one piece of 6x6 paper to make the pages and the pocket inserts. And so I've got here just some tassels, a little tassel dangle that I made, and this is just a little pom-pom just to decorate the spine. And then this is the inside. I didn't do much embellishing because I really wanted to show you guys the projects. And up here is your little pocket. It doesn't hold large goodies, but you can add some little slim size tags in there if you like. And then over here you can place like your dimensional embellishments that you make, because the spine has like a wide gusset, so there is room for you to add some embellishments, and you can place them on these pages that are dimensional, and they won't get damaged if you want to add that into your little flip book if you want to send this as a gift. So I've got here this cute little flower on a wood stick. Again, I have a tutorial for that as well. I'll put that video down below, and then all the recipient has to do is just pull it out. I've got like a little foam dot, but they can just take that out and then use on their project. And then this is the next page. Over here is the pocket as well, so that goes there. And then you can have this here as well if you want that facing in the middle. So you can see it doesn't squash, so it's pretty good. And then this is the next page, and then that's the last page. And then I did use like some chipboard. It's not actually chipboard. I used the cereal boxes to make the base for the flip book. But this is the flip book to make, the mini album. I will do that tutorial for you. I won't close this up now, but I wanted to just show you guys this fun project, unbelievably, that you could make with one piece of one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So I do hope you enjoyed this project share. I'll see you in my next video with the tutorials for these projects. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.